is Jessica McCrae, and I will be showing you guys how to cut out an element within an image using GIMP. So the first thing we will need to do is to go ahead and select our image. So go ahead up to File, Open, and go ahead and select your image. Once your image has loaded, you will need to go to the toolbar, click Tools, go down to Paths, and you'll notice that the arrow kind of has an anchor that hovers along with it. Now we will need to go back to the toolbar, click Layer, scroll down to Transparency, and click where you see Add Alpha Channel. And clicking this will allow us to go ahead and be able to cut out our element successfully. And now we are ready to go ahead and start using our Path tool. So when you first click the element that you would like to cut out, you will see this square, and you are going to begin to start clicking around the element that you would like to cut out, carefully going around the edges, and this may take a little time depending on the size of your element that you are wanting to cut out. Alright, we're almost finished. And as we get to our last connecting dot of our element, you'll notice that with the arrow, you see that the anchor is hovering with it, and right above to the right of the anchor you see a small plus sign. As you hover over to your last dot to connect them, you notice that that plus sign changes to a crossbow. So we're going to go ahead and connect our last circle here. Now we have everything selected, and we just created a path. Now you're going to right click, go down to Select, and click From Path. Once again, you're going to right click, go to Select, and click From Path. And as you notice, now you have a moving line within all of the path circles that we just created. Now we're going to do the same thing within our element. You're going to, let's go back to Edit, Undo, and if you ever make a mistake, you can always go to Edit and then click Undo. So go back within our element, you're going to right click, go to Select, and this time we are going to click Invert. And as you can see, the shortcut would be just to hit Control I. Go ahead and click Invert. And on your keyboard, go ahead and click the Delete button. And once you click your Delete button, as you can see, the background has disappeared, but our element is still here. So we have successfully cut out our element that began within an image. So now only thing left to do is to save our element. So we're going to go to File, Save As, and we can name our element. So I'm just going to name it Jessica M. And as you can see, GIMP saves its images as an XCF. And of course, if you wanted to import it, you can use the PNG, but you have to go to File, Export. Go ahead and hit Save. Now I'm just gonna go to File, Close, and I'm just gonna reopen it again, just to make sure my image is still here. File, Open. I'm looking for Jessica M. XCF, there it goes, open, and voila. We still have our element, but the remainder of our image is still not there.